Will I marry my future wife in the next 2 years?
Will I win the lotto this weekend?
Hi, I'm Fortune Tala.
I want to get some clarity with where I'm heading with life, you know, and I'm hoping Aunty Tala can sort that out and let me know if this is the woman that I should be settling down with.
Oh, hi, Nate. Oh, I've been waiting to see you for a long time. Yeah, it's great to have you here. How did you find out about the I was the Fortune Teller?
I found you in the back of a newspaper.
Newspaper?
I was looking for a massage, but I saw your face.
Wow! Is that a good thing or bad thing?
I don't know, but I'm here now.
Oh, no, I'm talking about you looking for a massage. Anyways, okay, so why is it you come to see me? What do you want to know? What you need to know?
I need some advice.
Oh, about...
I got a baby on the way.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm not sure if it's a boy or a girl, but I want to prepare now so I know what to get.
Oh, okay. What to get for...
The baby.
Oh, the baby. Okay, okay. So you wanting to know if it's a boy or girl?
Yeah.
Or if it's you?
Can we throw that in there? We'll throw that in there.
Okay, if it's yours.
Yeah. Or maybe not. I might cry.
Yeah, you told one.
Yeah, no.
Let's just go, spirit. We have to hum together. Now you have to put your index finger like that and go hee-haw, hee-haw 3 times.
Hee-haw.
Yeah, 2 more.
Hee-haw. Hee-haw.
Whoa, that's a good donkey. You make good donkey. Okay, now let me. Spirit is telling me it's in the cards. Are
you okay?
There's 3 cards. 3 cards that will determine the answers of what you asking me. The first card is Kings and Swords.
Oh, right.
And what that means is that you are going to sort out what is it, if it's a boy or girl.
Yeah.
So when I tell you, the cards will tell you what it is, and then you are the king of sorting out what is going to happen.
Oh, okay.
That one there is the world. So your children's gonna be born in the world, and you will protect it and be the one that will sort out everything for your baby. But the sex of your baby, boy or girl, is in this card. There, see? It's gonna be a girl.
Oh, wow.
She's gonna be a queen.
Yeah.
And you are gonna like lift her up like a cups. That's why she's a queen and cups. Okay?
This is amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's amazing. I can do this thing.
Yeah.
See? This is. But in terms of if you are the father of the baby, you really want to know that one?
What do you recommend? Do we go there?
Yeah, I can tell you without using the card.
Let's go there, let's go.
Okay. Yeah, the emperor. See, the emperor means it's your boss. So your boss, I'm sorry.
Oh, wow.
Your boss is the...
I don't know if I want to laugh or cry.
Well, it was great talking tonight from Mai Fm. But the one thing you have to be prepared for when you come and see me is be ready for the truth. The cards never tell a lies. And I don't think Nate was happy with what he heard. It's a shame that his boss is a part of his baby. But if he was with me, it would never happen. Nate,